Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to keep the hotspot always on in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar, and here please type for control panel. Once you have typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on this open option to continue. Now, the moment you do it, we just have to wait until this window would appear. And if your window doesn't look like this, simply proceed with the upper right side of the screen. You can see the review by. Please click on it and go with large icons. Once you're done, please navigate to the option called Network and Sharing Center, which is in my case being placed at the third row next to indexing options. So please click on it. And the moment you do it, you will be able to view your basic network information and set up connections. From here, navigate to the left pane. You can see there change adapter settings. Click on it and you will be able to bring up this kind of window which contains your network connections, and that includes the network adapter that you have here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So select your network adapter, make a right click, go with this option called Properties. And under the Properties tab, okay, we need to proceed with this option called Configure. And from that, you would be able to bring up this kind window which contains the wireless LAN card properties. So please proceed on this power management, and here allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Make sure that it is being turned off. Now this section is the very crucial part. Make sure it is being turned off. Once done, click on OK. Close the window. Okay, as well as this, navigate to the start icon, proceed to your power menu options, and restart your computer. You may wonder why we need to restart. We need to restart in order to make any changes and in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed in this video. So restart your computer, and there you have that. You will be able to keep your mobile hotspot always on. Okay, and it will not be keeping on or off or being off even if you have turned it on in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a thumbs up as well as a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on keeping your mobile hotspot always on or fixing your hotspot which will be off, okay, in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, thank you and have a good day.